Number 1, we have information security engineer at 131,000. We have DevOps engineer at 137,000. We have enterprise architect at 144,000. We have technical program manager at 145,000. We have software architect at 145,000. We have applications architect at 149,000. We have infrastructure architect at 153,000. We have software development manager at 153,000. We have data warehouse architect at 154,000. We have software engineering manager at 163,000. So those are cha-ching, but you need the skills. Hello, my name is Marc Drouinaud Jr. If you're new here, I do cyber-related videos. We are gonna talk about the highest paid jobs in cybersecurity, and we got some good ones. This is courtesy of University of Cincinnati Online. So we have computer and information research scientists at about 118,370. So computer and information research scientists invent and design new approaches to computing technology and find innovative uses for existing technology. They study and solve complex problems in computing for business, medicine, science, and other fields, right? And usually, you're kind of set if you have a master's degree. Well, you're not set, but if you have a master's degree in computer science or computer engineering related fields, it gives you a good, nice position to land that kind of role. Next, we have computer networking architects at about 109,020. So computer network architects design and build data communication networks, including local area networks, also known as LAN, wide area networks, also known as WAN, and intranets. These networks range from small connections between two offices to next generation networking capabilities, such as cloud infrastructure that serves multiple customers. A bachelor's degree in computer science or related will put you in a good position to land that kind of role. Next, we have computer programmers at about 84,280. Computer programmers write and test code that allows computer applications and software programs to function properly. They turn the program designs created by software developers and engineers into instructions that a computer can follow. Once again, a bachelor's degree in computer science or related will put you in a nice position for that field.
Another one.
Next, we have computer systems analysts at about 88,740. Computer systems analysts, sometimes called system architects, study an organization's current computer systems and procedures and design solutions to help the organization operate more efficiently and effectively. They bring business and information technology together by understanding the needs and limitations of both. Bachelor's degree in computer science or engineering in related or related, nice shoe in for that role. Next, we have database administrators at about 90,000. Database administrators, or DBAs, known for short, use special software to store and organize data, such as financial information and customer shipping records. They make sure that data are available to users and secure from unauthorized access. Next, we have information security analysts, and the same, bachelor's degree computer engineering or computer science related. Next, we have information security analysts at about 98,350. Information security analysts plan and carry out security measures to protect an organization's computer networks and systems. Their responsibilities are continually expanding as the number of cyber attacks increases. Once again, same old bachelor's, what I just said.
Another one.
Next, we have network and computer systems administrators at about 82,000. Computer networks are critical parts of almost every organization. Network and computer systems administrators are responsible for the day-to-day operation of these networks. I said it multiple times, bachelor's in related computer science. Next, we have software developers at about 106,000. Software developers are the creative minds behind computer programs. Some develop the applications that allow people to do specific tasks on a computer or another device. Others develop the underlying systems that run the devices or that control networks. Bachelor's degree, computer science, engineering related. So we have, these are salaries that range from $130,000 to $164,000, right? These are nice roles to be in. Number one, we have information security engineer at $131,000. We have DevOps engineer at $137,000. We have enterprise architect at $144,000. We have technical program manager at $145,000. We have software architect at $145,000. We have applications architect at $149,000. We have infrastructure architect at $153,000. We have software development manager at $153,000. We have data warehouse architect at $154,000. We have software engineering manager at $163,000. So those are cha-ching, but you need the skills. You need the skills. So like I said, if you want a role, education is very important. Please put yourself in a position to acquire a computer science related bachelor's degree and master's degree. Acquire your skills, network, and then definitely guide and plan. Okay? Please feel free to watch, like, and comment other videos on this channel. Subscribe now.